He's like running him into... Ed, do you think he got some speed on him?
What?
Up in the woods?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he saw him launch. Hold his head straight. Maybe that's why he'll like stop straight.
This is entertaining. Just saying. Oh my god, I'm on my jumper up on the grass. Oh god, they're mating. I know what they're doing now, they're mating.